Continuing on, CNC Group break number 2974B. We're on to the 13, 14, and 11, 12 Canadian Dominion. Base card to $2.99 for the Ottawa Senators, Mika Zibanejad. We've got a jersey number to 99 for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Bo Bennett. We've got a redemption for an auto and patch number to 99 for the Philadelphia Flyers, Matt Reed. We've got a two-color jersey prime, numbered 16 and 25 for the Phoenix Coyotes, Martin Hanzal. Base card to $2.99 for the Edmonton Oilers, Devin Dubnyk. And we've got a very pretty three-color rookie patch auto short print, numbered 29 of 99 for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Boone Jenner. 29 of 99 for the Jackets. The Generator. Boom. On to the 11-12 Dominion. All right, base card to $1.99 for the Philadelphia Flyers, Ron Hextall. Oh boy, well this pack didn't waste any freaking time. We've got a stick side signatures, number 4 of 15 for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Mario Lemieux. 4 of 15 for the Penguins, Mario Lemieux. We've got a quad jersey number 22 of 25, which will be random between the Avalanche, Oilers, Devils, and Flyers. Gabriel Landeskog, Ryan Nugent-Hopkins, Adam Henrique, and Matt Reed. We've got a three-color auto and patch numbered 45 of 60 for the New Jersey Devils, Joe Nieuwendyk. We've got a three-color stick side signatures, numbered 9 of 10 for the Boston Bruins, Tim Thomas. 9 of 10 for the Bruins, Tim Thomas. This pack's just stupid. We've got a base patch, numbered 7 of 10 for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Ryan Johansson. Ryan Johansson. There he is. Three-color rookie patch auto number to $1.99 for the Dallas Stars, Thomas Vincour. And a base card to $1.99 for the Chicago Blackhawks, Bobby Hull. Okay, next, the second half of the cup case.